gonna see if Miles will keep making fart noises on his dad's arm. It's really funny right now.
Back to work. Notice how slobbery my arm is. What are you doing? Do it again. Did I see something come out of his nose? What are you doing? Is she disturbing your fart noises? He's gonna be a trumpet player. Yo, wipe your face in it. That one doesn't work as good there. You found something new, didn't you? Something new to do.
Who did that, Miles? Where did that noise come from?
He's already got it down. Men are obsessed with fart jokes. He's got it figured out at an early age.
That's right. Say hi, Miles. Hi, Miles. Hi, baby. What is it?
It's a vampire craving.
Look, Miles. Look, Miles. 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 Look. Do you see yourself? Oh. Do you see yourself? Who is that? Can you see yourself? Oh.
Back to work.